Instead of the noise, the traffic, and the concrete jungle, what if your dream home felt like a permanent holiday right here in Bangalore? Today, we are visiting to MJR Divine Meadows in Sarjapur. Trust me, this villa is where luxury meets tranquility. Let us step inside this architectural masterpiece. Enter. There is a spacious enough for two cars and feels like a grand portico. We arrive at the main entrance. The dark wood door, acting as a giant mirror, hints grandeur waiting inside. Pan across foyer console, wall paneling, and mirror. Welcome home. The elegant foyer sets the stage. The blend of textured stone and rich wooden paneling, perfectly highlighted by sculptural golden mirror. Full pan of living room. We now move into the heart of the home, the spacious living room, flooded with natural light from those gorgeous sliding doors. The area is designed for comfort and conversation. Looks closer at the living room decor and observe major the future wall, the beautiful marriage of marble effect slab and vertical wooden fins. Minimalist cubic pendant lights, and here is a favorite balcony which is private as well, a perfect escape for your morning coffee. Moving to the dining area, flowing seamlessly from the living area is your formal dining space, beautifully by a statement chandelier. Here is another wonderful feature, a second private patio, artfully landscaped with bamboo and white pebbles. It brings slice of nature light into your ground floor living. The first of the spacious bedroom is conveniently located here. Large glass doors open to its small own private garden, ensuring every room gets natural light. Tour to your designer kitchen now. Next, we have the state of the art kitchen. Glossy, handleless lower cabinet contrast beautifully with warm wooden storage above. Notice the dedicated wet area utility sink thoroughly placed to keep the main kitchen clutter free. Everything is designed for uninterrupted cooking experience. Short of the staircase and the understair garden. Let's head up, but not before appreciating this striking staircase. The minimalist glass and railing paired with marbled steps is stunning, isn't it? Look at it, how beautifully it is designed. We should not even skip without appreciating this. This beautiful gallery of monochrome wall art adds an artistic dimension to the villa. Then comes first floor. The first floor opens up to a cozy family lounge or private retreat. It's a perfect space for unwinding. The built-in shelving unit offers great storage and display for collectibles. This bedroom is bright, fun, perfectly designed for a younger member of the family. A stylish study nook is built in, and the unique rounded wardrobe display is a fantastic design element here. The modern clean design continues into a second end shoot. Now for the stopper, the master shoot. This room is expansive. Your eyes are immediately drawn to the vibrant feature wall and the full height window that bath the room in light. Imagine waking up here. You can see development is still going on in the community, ensuring her investment grows as the project nears completion. Walk-in closet and ensuite master bathroom. A smart walk-through closet leads to the luxury master bath. Once again, see the beautiful wooden flooring. It is ease of maintenance and it is stunning marble effect tiles and kayak oversized vanity. This is a once again luxury master bath. So now let us move on to the second floor. We have this beautifully appointed junior master. A full wall wooden paneling gives it a very warm resort like feel, beautifully contrasted with vibrant Torxic bed and contemporary lighting. First, second floor balcony. This is first of two amazing outdoor spaces here. A sheltered balcony, perfect for an evening lounge, and a breath of fresh air. Here is the fun zone. You are very own dedicated. We have a see how beautiful it is. We have a parking area as well nearby, and you can just chill and relax. And we have a vertically opened where your sunlight hits your face directly. Here is the fun zone. So, if you are very own dedicated person and if you want to see movies without any crowding area, and if you don't want to visit outdoors on and you don't want to enhance yourself in a crowd, then we have a perfect option for that. Here is the home theater or a media room. It is fully insulated and ready for those epic movie nights. So walk out to the rooftop terrace. And finally, the ultimate indulge, the rooftop terrace with stylish pergola built-in counter, bar and a plenty of space for entertaining. This is where memories are made. Imagine barbecues, rooftop parties, and simple stagancing. This is true luxury villa living. Finally, exterior shots of the terrace or surrounding community.